the single vowel sound A. Today I'm going to show you how to pronounce the letter A within words. We pronounce the letter A within words in different ways. I'm going to show you two ways of how to pronounce the letter A. We have the short sound A and the long sound A. The short vowel sound A, A, A. Example, cat, cat, cat. The mouth, the position of the mouth. The mouth is wide and a bit round. The tongue is down the teeth. Now the long vowel sound of the letter A. A. Example, car. Look at the mouth. The mouth is wide and round. The tongue is down behind the teeth. Let's see some examples with the short vowel sound A. Listen. A. Cat, black, rat, fat, mat. Now listen, then repeat after me. A. Cat, black, rat, fat, mat. A. Cat, black, rat, fat, mat. Listen again, then repeat. A black cat jumped on the fat rat. It ate it and then sat on the mat. A black cat jumped on a fat rat. It ate it and then sat on the mat. A black cat jumped on a fat rat. It ate it and then sat on the mat. Now you. Good. Now examples with the long vowel sound A. A, car, dark, park, far, market, father. Listen and repeat after me. A, car, dark, park, far, market, father. Listen again and repeat. A, car, dark, park, far, market, father. My father parked his dark car in the car park, which is not far from the market. My father parked his dark car in the car park, which is not far from the market. Now you. Good. Long vowel sound. When A is followed by R, when there is R after the letter A. When there is R after the letter A, the R, the two letters R is pronounced A. A. Like car, park, When the letter A is followed by L, the letter L that is not pronounced, the al is pronounced a, like half, come. Practice. Pronounce the words below and put them in the right column. The answer: a, hat, that, apple, hand, a, star, start, bath, cart. Thank you for watching.